Ensuring safety first in the skies, equipping future pilots on ways to identify possible accident causes and make concise decisions to deal with such. Over the years, the country has managed to reduce accidents and fatalities, all because of technology, improvements in air traffic control and pilot training. But aviation accidents still remain a chain of events that almost always involve an element of human error.
Are doing well. We're not doing so well as we would like to do because we still have a number of these accidents that take place, and that could relate to mechanical failure, relate to piloting error, it could relate to unstable approaches and a number of issues that works in, especially in the phases of taking off and landing. So we are doing much better in that area because of, I think, the ongoing campaigns that we have and to open the dialogue. We would also like the general public to become involved in these discussions. You know, everybody knows somebody that flies. When you speak to somebody like that, ask them the question, how safe is it what you are doing? Do you guys do proper planning? How's the maintenance done on these things?
Pilot training is not just about flying skills. It also includes soft skills such as effective communication, teamwork and decision making. Pilots must work closely with air traffic controllers, ground crews and other crew members, and effective communication is essential for the safe and efficient operation of a flight.
Sometimes the students aren't so keen to spend the time on the ground preparing for the sessions. So we really have to emphasize that, and we actually sit in the aeroplane or in a simulator and practice the procedures before we go and do the sortie in the air. To try and make them realize how important preparation is, because, you know, flying is a wonderful feeling. It's exhilarating. All they want to do is get in the air, but they have to be prepared for any eventuality.
The training consists of both theoretical and practical components. The theoretical component includes learning about aircraft systems, aerodynamics, navigation, meteorology, air traffic controls and emergency procedures. This knowledge is essential for pilots to be able to make informed decisions in the air and respond effectively to any emergency situations.
As training pilot, it's quite important to learn the procedures to be able to prevent, or even in case that emergency like engine failure after takeoff happens, procedures to be able to get the airplane down in the most safest way possible, because it gives the pilot more confidence while you're up there flying, assuring you that any situation does arise, you're able and capable with the skills to be able to prevent or just try reduce any injuries that could have occurred, anything, to the most minimum possible.
Forward, this will help me just gain a better picture and mental model of flying, and always staying ahead of the aircraft, always staying ahead of the aircraft, always making sure that you understand everything that's going on in the air, and just to make sure we keep aviation moving and keeping that safety record high that SAA has been doing for many years.
The South African Civil Aviation Association says the market for young people to join the aviation industry is open, and more young people should strive to become pilots. Lerato Fekisi, SABC News, Gqeberha.